Starting with your rear end.
Yeah. A little bit of screwing.
Right. So this came out of the Lexus the other day.
That's right.
We
Just how you get an LSD put in it.
an LSD.
Yeah.
Ooh, or is it an NSD?
It's
No slip.
It's definitely an LSD.
Ooh, let's have a look. I'm gonna have to blur that. If you know, you know. Oh,
You fucking talk.
she's can't do that one-handed. Told ya. Oh, that bit,
Got a few little tight spots, but once it...
Well, once it's gone through the motions, it'll be fine.
Yeah, I think it's a bit of splatter, to be honest. LSD, baby.
Ooh, handmade LSD. Hell yeah. And what that cost you?
Can't be.
Carton of beer? Oh, mate. Nothing better than a carton of tinnies for a little bit of work. Gotta be quick, so just show you the layout of it. First time applying gasket glue, so best of luck on that.
Make sure the L's line up. Like that, yeah.
Where's that way? Which way did we?
That's the bottom.
Nah, yeah. So it's that side. Just tighten them up evenly across the board so the gasket glue goes down evenly. Doesn't create any gaps that may form. Do we know what the torque spec is meant for this thing, or just so torque TS, gotcha. Alright, all torque to spec. Spec is yes.
That's it. So let that cure for a couple of days. Just to let it
Nice,
make sure it seals up nice, and we'll give it a pressure wash, get it nice and clean.
RTV, what's that?
You can use different types. It comes in orange, grey, blue. Really your preference. Something oil resistant, heat resistant. And obviously just be, you know, when you're doing it, just be generous. Be generous. Like all this, you're gonna leave it, you're gonna clean it off because you can potentially leave gaps there. Just leave it, cure up.
You're better off having more than less in your seal, because if you've missed a little bit, it's gonna come pissing out.
And pro tip, now that it's locked, the car's not moving yet, it will not go in the car until the car's close to being done, because it'll make it a pain in the bum to push around.
Exactly. So if you're able to get it out like we did without taking the subframe out,
Yep.
car will still move around nice and easy without a hassle.
We didn't do a video pulling this out, but we will do one putting it back in and show you what we did and what's involved in pulling it out. It's pretty straightforward.
I did have footage of us wasting about an hour while I was trying to make a tool to actually get the Allen keys fitting. But don't use super cheap trash. we're trying to make a steel Allen key piece before anything. Well, it's just not going to work.
Nah.
Cast Allen, nah.
So we'll let it sit, let it cure. I think when that's gone in the car, we'll just run some cheap diff oil through it, just to clean all the shit out. Drop that after the dyno, and then we'll put the good stuff in it. Hopefully it lasts a little bit.
Ah, caught in the act. What are you doing?
Getting this this useless piece of poo out of this car.
And it's not going to be very useful for a manual, is it? So
No.
might as well tear that out, see where we can mount a hydro, eh?
That's right, we'll get this handbrake fucking lined up.
While we're at it, if you move your feet, you can see the 3 pedals are all nice and situated. Oh, that one's a bit loose. Got to tighten that up. Center console out. Apparently you do have to take the armrest off to be able to get the console out. Now we can get rid of the old auto shifter. We decided to start mocking up the hydro. Kyle, you've come up with a plan, I'm guessing?
Yeah, so we've got this makeshift plate for the handbrake. I mean, it's a good plate to use, we'll have to modify that too. But we've done some grafting and some cutting out of the factory console.
As you can see.
As you can see there, like obviously the handbrake's not bolted in yet, but it's in the...
It's just mocking up.
Yeah, it's in a good position. I can still
Hand
get
placement so you don't hit your knuckles.
Still get the reservoir, nice and easy. Handbrake, obviously once that's all mounted, that's all bolted in, like it's in a really good spot. I can just have it like...
The main...
Yeah, my hand can still get to it comfortably. It's out of the way.
Yeah. And we can still have drinks in here.
Yeah, not sacrificing the cup holders.
Main reason why we cut it out like that.
Hit the cup holders like that, all bolted in nice.
It'll be pretty good positioning, I think.
Yeah, tucked them out of the way. The shift, it's not affecting the shifter at all when the shifter's in there.
Yeah,
Factory
we'll have
handbrake.
to cut out the front of the tunnel a little bit for it.
Yeah, the gearbox and the engine are a lot shorter than the factory Lexus stuff, so we're going to have to do a bit of grinding in the tunnel and make that nice.
Awesome.
Yeah, coming together, I can just tee off the reservoir, we can run it.
Run a 90 back down.
Yeah, like a 90 and another 90 under the dash, under the car.
Yeah.
So we can run it up nice and have it through the holes there. Oh, we'll work it out anyway, make it nice and neat.
Like come along as we go.
But yeah, happy with the positioning. Still looks quite neat with the
Yeah, actually looks like it's still you know, street worthy.
yeah. So I saw the interior, you know, which is what I wanted.
Exactly. All right.
Not too late to chase the sun. Just you wait.
Blurring that out. I looked at the dick in there.
For some reason,
I can tell, dude. Well, it wasn't like you.
I thought it was a joke.